Okay, good morning, good morning, good morning. We're here now sa Hyundai. We're gonna buy this car. Sa 2017 Explorer 4x4. Check lang natin. Kami na tigat yung loob. So ito siya. Okay, paint is good. Yung mga scratches, normal naman yan. Okay, so ulit ka. Bilhin natin yung kotse. Pasok lang tayo. We'll just buy this car. Check natin later. Good afternoon. Ano muna kayo? Hello, yeah. Okay, good. Okay, check natin. Okay, works. Very good. Kasi minsan gumagana ito when you check. And then minsan never know, di ba? Minsan ang kotse nagtatampo, huwag ka magtampo, baby. Right, looks good. Okay, let's check for flooding. Everything looks good. That's how you check for flooding. You pick underneath. Let's start it. Okay, good. Walang mga naka-indicate. Very good. Let's check the 4x4. Okay, good. Put it back to normal. Everything looks good. Ang mileage pala ng kotse, I just want to show you everybody, no? The mileage is 77 and Casa maintained ito. Last service nandun, may records doon. So 77, not bad for its age. 2017, 7 years. Just right. Check the hood. Pressed metal is okay. No signs of front collision. No signs of engine leaks. Good. And the reason why they're selling the car is because they're gonna buy a new Staria. Okay, the client is a foreign lady. She doesn't want to be very private. Intindihan ko, walang problema. And okay na yung kotse. Welcome, do the documents and pay. Look at this, yung bagong Elantra. Ganda. Ito yung top of the line, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the N version. Ganda, grabe. Tulin ito. I think this goes 0 to 100, 3-4 seconds. Super bilis. Santa Fe, of course. You already know. One of the most comfortable cars in the market. Really, really good car. Stargazer, if you want a family car. Na parang ka-level niya, mga BRV, expander. Ito, comfortable din, gaang manubela niyan. Okay, picture lang tayo with our client. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. So, we're done. Ito yung kotse, 77,000 kilometers. Casa maintained. Yung huling service, hindi nila mahanap yung complete file. Pero meron silang service records nung 74. So recently lang. Car is in great shape. Ito yung top-of-the-line version ng Everest. Ito yung 3.5 V6. 4x4. Gandang kotse ito. Very, very comfortable ride. So my name is Kodah with RZ Fall Cars. If you want to buy cars, we have 300 cars for sale. If you want to buy this particular Explorer, you're looking for Explorer, punta lang kayo na showroom. I'll give you a special discount if makita niyo yung mukha ko. If you want to sell cars, you can come to me, Kodah with RZ Fall Cars. If you're an agent, I'm your favorite trade-in partner in Metro Manila. We'll take care of you. So nangyari, I bought this car. I paid them yung bilang bayad ko. Diretso nila sa cashier ng Hyundai to buy their new vehicle. So that's it. If you want to sell your car, my name is Kodah with RZ Fall Cars. Have a nice day, guys.